Hey community. So today we will see how can we create versioning in S3. So what is versioning actually? Whenever you will have a data which has to be override with the current data along with the existing. That means if you have a data, suppose something has been backed up on the last day and again the data which is current which you are pulling today, that has to get updated. So at that time versioning comes. So let's see. Go to your AWS console, go to S3 directly. Okay, just click on create bucket. Okay, test tech S3 1. Okay, tech S3 1. We have given this name. You just have to come check for all these things if you want something or region and all if you want to change. Then come directly enable the versioning. Okay, this is important. Tag and all if you want to keep anything. I'm just keeping SSD by the managed keys. Okay, else few people also use SSCKMS key management system. We are not using. Just click on create. The bucket will get created. The versioning will be enabled for this bucket. Okay, my bucket is created. Bucket and object not public, all this information you can check. Get inside the bucket. Okay, now here we will have an option to upload. Suppose I am just going to upload my one file. Suppose this is my one file. I'll just get inside my pictures and here I'll have some, say, yeah, this is cloud design. Okay, there is one picture which named as cloud design. I'm just keeping it here. Cloud design, click on upload. Okay, it is uploading 100%. Okay, now you can see cloud design is here with 64 KB and all succeeded. Okay, now close it. You can check inside your bucket. One cloud design PNG is here, right? Just click on it. You will be able to see the all the details of the image that we have uploaded. Okay, so you can see all these URL and URI and all if you want to use somewhere. You can also check here March 10, 1754 I have uploaded this image. Okay, you can open, click here on open and check. Okay, this is my design. Okay, let's see. So first version is uploaded. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so suppose tomorrow again you have to backup this. Okay, so again with the same name cloud design.png another file will get updated here. Okay, so at that time what happens, versioning will work. So suppose I am again updating, just remember this time. Yeah, I'll show you. Just remember this time 1754:46. Okay, because with the same name I'm uploading another image. I mean like the same image I'm updating again. Okay, cloud design, click on open, it will get uploaded. Okay, same thing we are doing again and let's see. Okay, close. Okay, now you can see the next the image has been uploaded with the same name, but you can see the time has been changed, right? So now how will you check this? Just get inside your bucket again. Okay, here you get inside your this picture, get inside version, and here now you can see the first version has been uploaded at 1754 and the next has been uploaded at 1756, but inside the bucket current version is present, right? Current version is present, the previous has been present in the versioning. Whenever you will go and check in the versions, you will be able to see the previous version. So that's how versioning works. As an example, suppose any database you are backing up. So maybe like yesterday's data has to be overlapped with the today's current data, right? The same way it works. So yeah, that's how versioning works. Thank you.